It's a run that takes just a few minutes, a swift race through Old Town Pamplona in northern Spain. Hundreds, and on the busiest days, a few thousand runners trying to stay a step ahead of the raging bulls. 6 of them, weighing about a half-ton each. A tradition dating back 4 centuries. It became popular worldwide after author Ernest Hemingway wrote about it in his 1920s novel, The Sun Also Rises. But now the bull run, for 8 straight days, is just the marquee event of a much broader and very lucrative week-long, non-stop fiesta, named for Pamplona's patron saint, San Francisco. Yet Americans, Europeans, and Asians are often among the injured in the running. Some locals say the visitors don't realize the danger or take it seriously enough. There have been 15 deaths since record-keeping began in 1924, and thousands of injuries from gorings or getting trampled. Ambulance crews line the course from the corrals to the bull ring. The bulls face certain death against matadors in the afternoon bullfights, but visitors and locals alike hope to live to tell about the big fiesta for a long time to come. Al Goodman, CNN, Madrid.